Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, could you believe that you can create the animation using this picture, guys? And the animation will be the dissolve, like this dream can be dissolved into the small particle like this. So when you are dreaming and all of a sudden maybe the dreaming session is already end up and the dreaming we have is now gone and dissolved into the small particle. How to create this animation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Grok AI. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that you can go to this Imagine and you can start to upload the picture first into from your device, for example this one. And after that you can start to make sure that this is the video to create, or to make sure that this AI will help you to create the video. And after that you can start to put your prompt into this section, and you can click this play and kindly wait for this Grok AI to change this picture to be this dissolve dreamy animation like this. Well guys, this is actually the same prompt that I used before to transform the picture into this animation, guys. So kindly wait maybe for 1 minute to let this AI generate the picture or transform the picture into this dissolve animation like this. And if you like it, then you can start to download it and it will be ready to use, and you can also post it into your another favorite social media. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.